If you're like me, you wear your AirPods almost every single day. Some of the best times to wear AirPods are when you first wake up, or when you're brushing your teeth, on a break at work, putting baby down for a nap, 10 minutes later when baby wakes up from a nap, at the grocery store,
clean up on aisle 3,
while raking the leaves, and of course, while going for a walk. Hi, I'm John Collins. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your AirPods. Now, there's more than one way to clean your AirPods, but today I'm going to go over a few of the different ways, maybe what worked about those methods, what didn't work, and ultimately at the end of the video, you'll be able to choose which method works best for you. I also want to go over sanitizing. I decided to let my AirPods get as horrifically dirty and disgusting as they could possibly get. Let the dirt, let the grime, let the earwax cake up so that I can go ahead and clean them on video and we can see if any of the methods I'm showing you today are effective. When you're cleaning the AirPod case, you want to start off with your soft cloth. You can use a microfiber cloth as well too. And you just want to press in and firmly wipe away the dirt and the grime. Wipe away whatever residue managed to get in your case, the earwax droppings, I'm sure there's some in there. And then you're gonna need your Q-tip because you're not gonna be able to reach everywhere with the cloth. Don't stick it too far down. There's connectors in there. You don't wanna damage those. Get in there, try to get in that crevice behind there. For the actual AirPods, there's just so much grime and nastiness in here. You just wanna start by wiping it as best as you can. Just slowly wiping, getting that grime out. You can use this technique where you spin it around, and just deal with the nastiness. Apple does not want you to use any liquids while cleaning your AirPods, but it is okay to use a little bit of alcohol while cleaning the case. So you can either dip your cotton swab, or you can take an alcohol prep pad that already has a little alcohol on it, squeeze the tip, and in that way, you're not gonna oversaturate your cotton swab. Now, you're only gonna get it so clean with the cotton swab. Any extra dirt and grime, it's not gonna come off, use your bristled brush. I'm using a brand new toothbrush that I bought specifically to clean my AirPods. It was on sale. It was on clearance, actually. I will mark it so I will not accidentally use this in the bathroom, don't worry. We're good. So the real secret to really getting the grime that's on the perimeter of your AirPods, what I really found worked best for me was a toothpick, a regular old toothpick. Please, at your own risk, use the toothpick, meaning you could damage your AirPods if you're not skilled with your hands. I'm pretty good with my hands and it worked out. You wanna lightly grab this toothpick and you wanna lightly scrape the outside of the AirPods. You can see that? Look at all that you're getting out of there. Ah, that is nasty. AirPods are earwax magnets. Don't press in, you will damage the mesh. Just lightly scrape away the dirt. That'll get rid of most of that embedded dirt in earwax. Then the toothbrush, really, that's what's gonna get it. All right, now that we've got our magic sponge, I wanna see if I can get this scuff out. Oh, so this is what happens to the magic sponge. It breaks apart, you get all these particles everywhere. Maybe this is good for the outside at best, but I'm gonna pass on the magic sponge. They put it on, they peel it off, and it's clean, so I thought I'd give it a try. Now, I did not go out and specifically buy the blue tack, I think it's called, but I found one that says Museum Putty for home electronics. So I'm like, ooh, this should work, it's putty. I tried it, and this is what happened. I pretty much almost ruined my AirPods. So I'm not telling you not to use blue tack. No gum. You can use one of these air blowers. Just blow. But if that still doesn't get the lint out, you can use a toothpick like an AirPod surgeon. Be very careful with that. I don't want you to break your AirPods just trying to get some lint out. You don't want to just clean the outside of your AirPods. You also want to kill the germs. You want to kill the bacteria. This is the secret. This will sterilize your AirPods. It will kill 99.9% of all the bacteria that exists in there. It works on your AirPods, it works on your phone. You can take the band off the Apple Watch or whatever other electronics you have that will fit in here. The UV light will obliterate the bacteria. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment below. And I'll see you in the next video. Oh wait, another favorite time of mine to wear my AirPods is at the end of a YouTube video.